with Chris Sauber,
Hello.
and he's in the background. I mean, you can kind of see him. Yes, it's good that the internet works, Chris. So thank you for that.
Yeah, turn it back on.
What is up, LinkedIn, Instagram, Chanel? How's it going? Our favorite social media manager, because she's our only social media manager, but she's amazing. Randy, how's it going? Callie, Rocky, Connor Safe, PT Scrub, Gazelle in the house. How are you doing? CRA Academy Rockstar,
Can you tell her?
Ashley Margot, Inquisitive Christine. Chris has something to say for Gazelle.
So
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Me?
No, you're not mic'd up. But tell me and I'll translate.
Yeah. Tell her about Ashroff's going to contact her about this.
Oh, okay. Gazelle, a potential CRA Academy student, asked for references, and we gave him your info. His name is Ashraf. Chanel, thanks for that. You guys rock. Ashley Margot knows how good Chanel is at this social media stuff. And then we've got Hello from Paris. Wow, on YouTube. We got Paris in the house. Ah, oui. We got Christine Naro on LinkedIn. You're on everything. Christine, somebody else asked me today. Honestly, guys, I've been so behind on my LinkedIn messages. I'm just getting back to people from like a week ago, but people are asking, how do I get on Clubhouse? How do I do Clubhouse on Friday night mixers? I say, look, I got one word for you. It's she goes on a first name basis now. Not needed the whole name. Christine. That's it. Christine. It's like one name. You know that you're getting popular when it's just one name. And Christine is that. Darshan from Philly, right after Paris. Not as romantic, but grimy. I think grimy is the appropriate word for Philly. I love Philly. Alessandro's cheesesteak is amazing. Clubhouse, Chanel and Ashley. Yep. Hit up Chanel if you need social media consulting. Exactly. Anybody watching? Because Chanel's starting to learn clinical research like at a scary pace. I mean, she might be a CRA before it's all said and done. But if anybody needs a social media person, Chanel's contracting right now. So let me know. Let me know and I'll introduce you. Inquisitive Christine in the house on every platform, honestly. And so Hunter Hall from LinkedIn says he has a CRA interview on Friday! Hunter Hale. Good luck, Hunter. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions or anything. Big Willie Smith in the house in Philly. Philly's great. I like Philly. I only been once, but it was really cool. Nana Golub, what's up? Let's put some hearts on the screen and let's get some questions rolling on this Wednesday. Rosario, who I asked to be on, is hiding in that office. So she doesn't want to come on. And that's where she is. Okay. There she is. You could barely see her, but she's there. We'll get her on. We did a video at least last time, so that's good enough. You gotta pick your battles. Are you coming on to Darshan Talk soon? Yeah. Let's do it on the StreamYard. You taught me, Darshan, all about StreamYard. So now I'm using it all the time. And yes, would love to come on Darshan Talks. Got a question. How about to bring managers from CROs to give some courses in your academy and hire the best students? It helps, and this is how they work in Paris for CRA programs. Managers like from PRA and IQVIA. We've had managers come on and be guest lecturers. Matter of fact, our main instructor, her name is Tiffany. She's been at the senior level CRA for over a decade. Thank you, Inquisitive Christine. Join Latinos in clinical research. That is the answer for everything, really. That's the answer to the universe's deepest questions, is Latinos in clinical research. And all ethnicities welcome, all backgrounds welcome, doesn't matter. Okay. Ashley Margot, how did it go? Everybody, I told you guys about KMPH. I said, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. But it looked really good to me. We did like multiple videos on it. And because the entire market went down today, KMPH was only up like 45%. But I'm holding. I might, Chris, what about doing a video on why we think KMPH is good for a long-term hold at this point?
Sure.
You know that's going to get views.
Mm-hmm.
Dan, is there Romanians in clinical research? There are. Not a lot. It's not like what we're known for.
Hey, you got a partner that was from me.
I had a partner that was in research, but she was in research because of me, not because it's something Romanians do.
He.
And in Yuma, Arizona, where I am moving, no, she, the mom.
Yeah, but
we're talking Mama Bear.
He was partner too, wasn't he?
He's came in because of nepotism.
Okay.
Sorry, getting off track, guys. Okay. We get somebody from Facebook who's always been quiet. Jesse Lozano. I'd like to thank Christine for everything she's done and what she's doing for everyone. She's a real treasure. Look, Christine, from every social network, I can't even keep up. I don't know how you keep up anymore. Come to Darshan Talks. Lots of talks on PharmDs and clinical research. Absolutely. Start a group for Romanians in clinical research. I would be the only member. Me and my former business partners. That would be a very awkward Zoom.
Yeah, they wouldn't be on it.
Yeah. Oh, funny story. I'm moving to Yuma, Arizona, which is a small-ish city on the border of California and Arizona and Mexico. And I'm looking for specialists, so I was told that there's this cardiologist in the area, and she happens to be Romanian. So I thought it was a good thing. So I go there, I bring my book to her office, I drop it off. Okay, I had her phone number that another doctor gave me. He's like, yeah, she would love you. I texted her. I went in person to drop off my book. I emailed her, left voicemails, and she's just ghosting me. And it's probably because I am Romanian. And I don't know why we don't help each other out, Romanians. Are you buying the city of Yuma, Arizona? I wish. It's a good investment if you would. I'm bullish on that city. I'm bullish on that part of Arizona. I think Phoenix might be overbought, but still growing. But I think that part of Arizona, southwestern Arizona, is underrated. It's kind of like an altcoin. Like, it's kind of like, not quite as big as Polkadot, but it would be more like a Monero or I don't know, one of the altcoins that has promise. Jordy from the block. Gabby Marinello. My wife is on. How's it going? Missing you right now. Could you tell us what is the best way to get experience in research? I finished the CRA course. You should have taken mine, because then you don't ask this question. You already have the experience once you take the course and you do the internship. Okay, but I digress. I finished the course and started looking for entry-level job, but all posts requires 2 years of experience. There are some that require 1 year or less, especially in a year like this year. So if you look closely, you will find those, but there's no way around it. You need the experience. An academy without internship experience is not worth it, in my opinion. No matter who. I don't care if it's Harvard or like Oxford College, or I don't know, like, it's not worth it, in my opinion. My phone is buzzing, or my watch is buzzing. Hey boo. Altcoins fire. AZ strong buy. Gabby Marinello says hi everyone. Chris, you just spoke to Gabby earlier.
I did.
I thought I heard you guys talking.
Yep.
That's Gabby Marinello is going to be a very successful site owner in no time. Naomi Eski Mom. How's it going? Is that a husky? I know we've talked before. I can't believe I never noticed a husky in your, or I don't know if that's a husky in your avatar, but I'm part of Husky Life. My wife and I are part of Husky Life now. Don't ask us about sleep. Don't ask us about sleep. Chris, what time do I start my emails now?
I have no idea.
I used to start my emails at 8 a.m. I start my emails at like 6 now. Because of a husky. Husky Life. Oh, American Eskimo. Okay.
I've seen him as early as 6:30.
Gabby Marinella says Chris is tired of me. No, he's not. That's nonsense. Darshan says, I will do Harvard without the internship. Harvard, reach out. Hey, if Harvard wants to sponsor Latinos in clinical research, I'm all for it. Look, when you're paying for something, there's Rosario. Rosario's going to come in. Rosario, what do you think about the importance of experience in clinical research? It's a must. We were just talking about it, actually. You said yesterday that somebody might, if we need somebody, but they don't have experience, but does that matter? The answer is doesn't matter. Why? Because you will train them.
It doesn't matter because, yes, if they get trained by a good study coordinator, then they'll get good habits and they will be successful.
Dora says, Hola, Rosario.
Hola.
These mics are amazing. I actually have two, but I didn't turn on my other one because Rosario said she would not do it, and now she's here. So thank you. Where are you going?
To get something to eat.
Okay, that's important.
Lunchtime.
That's important. All right.
Hey, you were asking.
So, oh,
It's
really?
a major depressive stuff.
Darshan, you're a part of Husky Life? Oh, you're fat and okay. I get it. Husky sized.
You're on the email too.
Team No Sleep. They have similar personalities. It's Pomeranian, and Samoyed. Wow. Oh, and Ashley Margot is also part of Husky Life. So Rimoja Events.
Yeah, I know. Gotta get it.
Bavasav 2019. All right, let's go to the. Where can we have CRA internship? Only in my program.
What?
Only in the CRA Academy. I don't know where else you can get it. There's no. This is why we created this. There's nowhere else you can get CRA internship as part of a learning program other than my course. That's why we created it. That's why I'm so excited about it. So passionate about it. LinkedIn. Ayanella. I started my own research. I have a question. How do I get pharmaceuticals? I want to work with them for clinical trials. I just had a conversation with somebody earlier today. Clinicaltrials.gov. You have to email 100 contacts a week. 100 contacts a week. Pick the small cap biotechs because the director's emails and cell phone numbers are there. I text a lot of them on a regular basis. If they don't like it, so be it. But we got a job to do. We got biz dev to do. Right now, Ayanella, your goal is you're a salesperson for your site. Business development. Business development. Darshan says the real question, why is social media important in clinical research? Because it's the best way to communicate one-to-many and one-to-one that exists right now. And the wife's leaving. She's gonna fold the laundry. Thank you. Husky Life. We both know it all too well right now. You trademark CRA Academy yet? No, Darshan. We need to talk. Let's talk. We haven't done anything we're supposed to do other than provide exceptional value to our students. That we are doing. Social media for recruitment. Social media is everything. It's just a way. Social media. Gary Vaynerchuk says it best. Social media is the synonym for the internet right now. All right, it's Web 2.0. Web 3.0 is going to be blockchain and decentralized stuff. Do some big pharmas run their trials in-house? I'm in a CRO and a fully in-house study sounds nice to lead. There are pharmas, not so much the big ones, but there are some that run their trials in-house. Not for every study, but they do handpick some studies that they will run themselves in-house with no CROs. I want to know from you guys what it means for the CRO, for there to be so much consolidation in the industry. What does that actually mean for the industry. I heard you only accept 20 individuals for the CRA Academy. Is it still available to enroll or is it full? We're good for April. We have 6 students in there so far for April. So usually the month before the academy starts, so we're starting April 12th. So around March 12th to April 12th, it starts to fill up. CRO or research site for money. Oh, the research site. CRO is not good business.
We gotta call to be on, Dan.
Oh yeah, we gotta be on a call. CRO is not a good business, in my opinion, until you get to be the top 5 CRO. I don't know why our phones are blowing up either. My gets super busy. I have to work 12 hours at a CTA from home. I hope if I enroll, I can still find time and balance for the CRA Academy. You can. Only 4 hours a week is what is required. Only one of those hours is it live, and even that is recorded if you miss it. So don't worry about that. Is Watch Dan's fair video on YouTube? Yep. I love what I hear, Dan. The first thing I did when I got job offer for CRC, absolutely. Can your wife do a course on image for social media? I'll tell her. Let me know if the client gets on, Chris. We got a potential client call I gotta be on. Is Watch Dan's fair video on YouTube? Yes, go. I've been starting to do biotech stuff too. I've done 2 interviews since you told me not to be nervous. No offer letter yet. I have another one this week. Fingers are crossed. Alright, guys. I gotta get off because this is a call I gotta take. But maybe I'll go live again in a little bit with Chris on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. Stay tuned. Come back like in an hour. We'll get on.